In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Monday.com in the latest 25 guide. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you easily reverse your actions and keep your project workflow smooth. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the board where your tasks are organized. This is essentially the hub for your project activities in Monday.com. You can access your board by logging into your account and selecting the specific project you're working on from the dashboard. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and make sure you're on the right page, as this is crucial for the next steps. Now, let's simulate a change that you might want to undo later. For example, suppose you accidentally delete an item from your board. To do this, find any item that you'd like to remove temporarily. This can be any task or note that you want to practice on. Hover over the item to reveal more options. Continuing on, look for a small icon consisting of 3 dots. This icon is also known as the More Actions menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will present you with a drop-down menu of various options related to the item you're managing. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to select the Delete option. This action is key in demonstrating how the undo function works, as it simulates a scenario where you might have removed something accidentally. After clicking on delete, a confirmation prompt will likely appear to ensure that you really wish to proceed with this action. If you're confident, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once you've deleted the item, keep an eye out for a prompt that appears. This is the undo pop-up, which typically appears at the top of the screen immediately after a deletion. It's your best friend when it comes to reversing actions quickly and effortlessly. By clicking on this undo option in the pop-up, the deleted item will be restored to the board, as if the deletion never happened. This feature is extremely helpful not only for fixing mistakes quickly, but also for maintaining workflow efficiency. Should you make an error, this undo option provides a crucial safety net. And there you have it. Reversing actions in Monday.com is straightforward and can save you from many potential mishaps during your project management. Remember that this undo function is available for a limited time after the initial action, so it's always a good idea to act swiftly if you notice any errors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or leave comments below.